Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today, we're talking about 10 psychological ways to get a girl to like you. These are honest, ethical tips. No manipulation, no mind games. Just real things that will naturally make you more attractive and fun to be around. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Have your own life. This is the foundation of everything. Before you try to attract anyone, you need to have something going on in your own life. Think about it this way. Imagine someone tries to sell you an amazing book with big promises on the cover, but when you open it, there's nothing inside worth reading. That's what it's like when you try to get close to someone while your life is empty and boring. But when your life is full and exciting, you don't even have to try that hard. You just say, "Hey, I really enjoy having you around." And that alone is enough. Build a life worth sharing, and people will naturally want to be part of it. Tip 2. Have a passion or hobby. Here's something most people don't talk about. Having just one real passion makes you instantly more interesting. It could be anything: cooking, music, drawing, coding, motorcycles, reading, anything. The only rule is that it has to be real. You can't fake passion. When you truly love something, people can feel it. There is something deeply attractive about a person who is completely lit up by what they do. So find your thing, put real time into it, and let it show. Tip 3. Take care of your hygiene. Okay, this one is simple but very important. Smell good. You don't need to be perfect, just clean and presentable. Take a shower, use soap, wash your hair, dry off, put on clean clothes, and use deodorant. That's already most of the work. If you want to go further, get a light cologne and use 1 or 2 sprays, one on the wrist, one near the neck. That's all. Girls notice this more than you think. Tip 4. Ask her to do small things for you. This one might surprise you. There is a real psychological principle called the Benjamin Franklin effect. When someone does something for you, even something small, their brain quietly tells them, "I must like this person because I'm helping them." Benjamin Franklin actually used this on his rivals to turn them into allies. Ask her to pass you something, help you with a small task, or do a small favor. Keep it light and natural. Over time, this builds a quiet bond. Just don't overdo it, or she'll feel used. Tip 5. Make her laugh. You might think you're not funny. But here's the truth. Humor is a skill, not a talent. The more situations you put yourself in, the more natural it becomes. Even bad jokes help you get better over time. Making a girl laugh is one of the most powerful things you can do. It shows intelligence, confidence, and good energy. And when she laughs, watch where her eyes go. That tells you a lot about whether she's interested. Hey, quick pause right here. If you're finding this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which tip hit you the hardest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. There's a lot more content like this coming your way. Tip 6. Be her friend first. There's a big difference between being a good friend and being stuck in the friend zone. Real friendship is actually a powerful starting point. Go the extra mile. Leave a small, thoughtful note. Send a good morning message when she's going through something hard. Listen to her problems and be present. Do the things that other guys won't bother to do. When you do this right, you're already halfway into something deeper. You just have to be honest about what you want. Tip 7. Break the touch barrier. Physical comfort matters. A light touch on the shoulder, handing something to her, and letting your hands meet, or making up a fun game that involves contact like rock, paper, scissors, or a handshake. These small moments create real subconscious connection. The goal is to show her that you're comfortable around her in a respectful and natural way. If she pulls back or seems uncomfortable, stop and respect that completely. Tip 8. Share something personal. Tell her a secret about yourself. Something real, something personal that you don't share with everyone. This opens the door to trust. When you trust someone first, they naturally start to trust you back. It's a deep human instinct. We feel closer to people who open up to us. Share something a little personal, maybe even something slightly embarrassing. It makes you human, it makes you real, and that's what she'll remember. Tip 9. Give her your full attention. In a world full of phones, notifications, and distractions, giving someone your full attention is one of the most powerful gifts you can offer. Look her in the eyes when she speaks. Actually, listen. Remember what she says and bring it up later in conversation. When she feels truly seen and heard by you, she will naturally want to spend more time with you. This works with anyone, but it is especially powerful in attraction. Tip 10. Work on your confidence. Everything on this list becomes stronger when you carry it with confidence. Confidence comes from self-awareness, knowing where you feel insecure and actually working on it. One of the best places to start is physical. Work out regularly, even 3 days a week. Arms, legs, and cardio will change how you feel about yourself. When you feel stronger, you carry yourself differently, and that energy is felt by everyone around you. That's all 10 tips. Start with the ones that feel most natural to you and build from there. These aren't quick tricks, they're real ways to become someone worth being around. If this video added value to your life, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Tell me which tip you're going to start with today. I read every comment, and I'll see you in the next one.